Hey everybody, let's get ready to install a beehive. This is a good healthy bunch. Really happy about this, and they packaged it really well. Look at that. 2 bee boxes, and they really nicely got them together with those pieces of wood. Easy to hold on to them and everything. And there's this critter that's on the outside. Happy little bee that doesn't know why he's out there, but wants to get back in. For some reason there's a force field. You can't get through. Alright, well that pass down wasn't too bad at all. The people at the post office were country folks, so they knew what was going on. They said this was pretty seasonal. They were just scared about somebody inside the building possibly being allergic to the bees. But the bees came very well prepared. Got a really good box. They're sitting right here. Don't know if you can see them that well, but there they are, as happy as bees can be. Can't wait to start building things. And I can't wait for them to start building things. So I'm super excited. The guys that packaged these bees did a really great job. So thank you guys out in West Virginia. Well, this area right behind me is where the bees are going to be positioned. As you can see out here, there's lots of trees. There's a river back there, so the bees won't have any problem getting water. So it's going to be a great area. There's lots of garden areas around here when the summer gets going. It's just early spring now, so you know it's slim pickings, but the dandelions will come up, and that's the first thing they'll get to. And then they have all these trees. The more trees you have all around, the better. It's semi-arid out here, but in this particular area of the semi-arid, there's at least a whole bunch of trees and tufts all around. So different plants have a different season, and so they will be blooming different times, and the bees will just forage whatever they need to as the different plants bloom forth. And people really love that wildflower kind of honey, so that's the kind of thing that they'll get out of here. Here's where the 4 hives are going to be. They're right by a whole bunch of sagebrush. They are 4 in a line and facing to the south. So what'll happen is the sun will come up, and it's good to know where the sun comes up and where it goes down, because that gives you an arc of the maximum angle of where the sun is going to be. And you can position your beehive in such a way that they get the most sun, and they are the most active when they get the most sun. So I've set up these 4 boxes. They just need the first box right off the bat, and you know they are quite busy at the beginning. They will build like crazy. I've seen them do that. It's just amazing to come back in a week or so, and they have so much built. We're about to place these bees. Well, now the bees have reached critical mass. They're getting really hopping mad. I think the queen gave them special instructions to get out there and find out whatever was attacking them, of course. Now, I'm just giving them their new house, not attacking them, but she doesn't know that. So they're all riled up. It's a lot warmer out here, probably about 60 degrees. And so they're starting to be busy and trying to figure out what's going on and what they're gonna do with this new home. Anyway, a lot of fun. We got to replace the inside ceiling and then the top board. So we'll do that right now. Replace the top board, the inside ceiling, without killing the bees, which is a hard thing to do because there's so many of them. Now for the most important thing of all, that's to pray for the bees, because there wouldn't be any life at all in these things if they didn't have a creator. So we'll go pray and thank the creator for creating bees, and that helps us with everything, and of course gives us something to do, because this is an awesome world to explore. So remember to create in the creation and always honor the creator. All right, bees.